pipe broke. Blew right off here. That still doesn't explain how the water got inside. That's still a conundrum to me yet. Right there. Okay, let's go see what's going on inside. My fear was that it was this black fitting. I have no idea how the water got inside, unless there's another leak somewhere else, but I'll get this thing wrapped up. Well, my cable is hot. And here's what I expect has taken place is that the plastic hose just became so soft and flexible from the heat that it just caused it to soften up so much that there was nothing to no grip. Gotta get these clamps taped down so that it doesn't cut my cable. Okay. Same goes for this fitting. Why it was leaking is that it became hot. Let's go and inspect one more time inside. Push. You stay right there. So it's a conundrum. How it leaked inside is beyond me. I'll be right back, whoops. Now I've got to get this thing wrapped back up again. And I wonder where that handy Dan, the Makita man, disappeared to. Wasn't he supposed to come and do this for me? Yeah, not the prettiest job, but it'll keep the heat in. Now to wrap this up a little bit better. Good old electric tape. Yeah, I came to see if you needed any help. Handy Dan, the Mosquito Man, to the rescue. Handy Dan, good of you to join me. But I should have known you'd show up with your banana in one hand and your nuts in the other. He does drive me bananas.
He does drive me bananas.